Welcome to my channel Praveen Technicals. Rail information. Indian Railways decided to run more 40 special trains in COVID 19. First train 02401 Nandadevi Superfast Express from Dehradun to Kota is frequency daily run up to, and second train is 02281 Dayodhya Express from Ajmer to Jabalpur. It will be runs daily, and third train will be run 02403 Prayagraj Jaipur Prayagraj Superfast Express. It will run daily. Train number 01107 Gwalior Manudhai Bundelkhand Express. It will runs daily. 01841 Khajuraho Kurukshetra Superfast Express. It will run daily. 06539 Bangalore Mysore Express except Sunday. Afterwards it will run all days, alternate 6 days. 07007 Darbhanga Secunderabad Darbhanga Express. It will run Tuesday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday. Opposite directions. 02509 Bangalore Cantonment Guwahati Express. It will run Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and it will return direction runs Monday, Tuesday, Sunday. Train number 05933 Dibrugarh Amritsar Express. It will runs Tuesday, and in the return direction runs Friday. 02481 Jodhpur Delhi Express. It will runs daily. 02571 Gorakhpur Delhi Humsafar Superfast Express. It will runs Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It will return direction Monday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. And 02367 Bhagalpur Delhi Vikramshila Express. It will runs daily. 06588 Bikaner Yeshwantapur Express. It will run Friday, Saturday, and the return direction Tuesday, Saturday. Train number 02976 Jaipur Mysore via Kachiguda Jaipur Superfast Express. It will run Monday, Wednesday, and the return direction Thursday, Saturday. 02415 Indore New Delhi Indore Express. It will run daily. 05626 Agartala Deoghar Agartala Express. It will run Sunday and the return direction Monday. 02465 Madhupur Delhi Madhupur Express. It will runs Thursday. In the return direction it will runs Wednesday. 06536 Solapur Mysore Gol Gumbaz Express. It will runs daily. 05003 Kanpur Anwarganj Gorakhpur Chaura Chauri Express. It will runs daily. 05007 Benares City Lucknow Krishka Express. It will runs daily. 02591 Gorakhpur Yeshwantapur Gorakhpur Superfast Express. It will runs Saturday, Monday, in the return direction Monday, Thursday. 02275 Prayagraj New Delhi Humsafar Express. It will runs daily. 09051 Valsad Muzaffar Shramik Express. It will runs Saturday in the return direction Monday. 02669 Chennai Chapra Ganga Kaveri Superfast Express. It will run Monday, Saturday. It will in the return direction Monday, Wednesday. 08517 Korba Visakhapatnam Korba Express. It will runs daily. 02663 Howrah Tiruchirappalli Howrah Express. It will runs Thursday, Saturday, Tuesday, Friday in the return direction. 02911 Indore Howrah Express. It will run Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. इन द रिटर्न डायरेक्शन मंडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे। बाकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको अगले वीडियो में मिलेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। टू बी कंटिन्यूड।